Hi, my dear lovely children. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, today let's see the new lesson. So, in your computer science class 8th textbook. So, the purpose of making this video is to make it useful for some of our students who are absent in the class. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the today's unit we are going to talk about in today's videos. The concept is, or the first lesson, so in your class 8th computer science textbook, so chapter 1, introduction to Python. So this is your lesson. So what is Python? So why we use this type of languages? So let's say all the concept so in this lesson. First they gave programming, the process of creating a set of instruction that tells a computer or a machine how to perform a task. See, so it is a set of instruction. Programming, it is nothing but a set of instruction. Before that, so we must create that set of instruction. So how that computer or how that machine, okay, so perform or do a action, particular action, or do a particular task. So this is called programming. Okay, so this is predetermined programming languages. Understood, childrens? Next one, so who is programmer? The person who create those set of instructions is known as a programmer. Okay, so he is a person, so he create a set of instruction. Okay, so that persons, so we call a programmer. In a simple way, the person who creates those set of instructions is known as a programmer. Next point, a programmer creates a computer program to solve a particular problem. So you must assume, so one problem is there. Okay, one problem is there. So in that problem, so if you want to solve that a particular problem, so you must create a languages. You must create a programming languages. Okay, so this is called a programmer. Okay, so programmer so needs to create a programming languages. So next, the programmer uses a programming language to create a computer program. So if you want to solve a particular problem, okay, so you want a coding languages or programming languages. So I think understood, children, this concept programming. So next we will move to programming languages. So in the next video, okay, so in the next part 2 video, so I will make programming languages. So I hope you childrens, so you understood this concept. Okay, so if you understood, so if you liked, okay, so if you know the if you know this concept, okay, so if you liked this video, so please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do let me know in the comment below, so how did you like the video, and please do let me know about your opinion.